This was the holiday homework as a scrapbook provided to KG section, LKG, and how you can prepare this. All the details are given how you can prepare, and you now have the sample how you can go and prepare that scrapbook. So let's go ahead with this.
Hi, I am Parana. This is my scrapbook.
Beautifully scrapbook made by Parvana of LKG. This is the front page. This is the birth date, 17th April. Numbers and alphabets. Her family. And these are the pictures of aquarium visit related to beach, and these are the vacation activity done by her, the collage work. This is of aquarium, balloons and cupcake. This is all the fun time she had during the vacation. Her nail painting, she practiced cycling. It was all fun day for her. And this was the fun time at home. Her nail paints, bicycling,